Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all are fine. So today's video will be about mint leaves, and by mint leaves I mean to say how mint leaves will be beneficial for our skin by preparing face mask and face pack using mint leaves and few other products. So keep watching. So when we talk about summer, there are like various things that comes to our mind, be it ice cream, be it mangoes, be it mint leaves, cucumber, watermelon. So yes, today I thought why not do a video about how mint leaves will be beneficial for our skin. We really know its health benefits, its benefit on adding it to our shampoo routine for hair. So why not for like skin also? It's beneficial for skin also. So this video will be about how I'll be preparing particular face masks and face pack using mint leaves. Mint leaves are very beneficial. It can be used as a scrub, it can be used as a toner, as a face mask, as a face pack. However you want to use, you can use it. So in this video I'll be showing you 5 things using mint leaves and few other products. So yes, I'll be mentioning down below when I'll be showing you the procedure of how I'll be preparing the face mask and the face pack, and also I'll be telling you guys the benefits of the mint leaves, and so that you can jump to that particular part. So mint leaves are cooling in nature. It soothes your skin. It will make your skin look fresh, and it is anti-inflammatory in nature. By anti-inflammatory I mean to say if you face any kind of itchiness or any kind of dryness, it will reduce those, and it is antibacterial in nature also. So it has herbal properties in it which will help it for reduction in those fungal infections. The mint leaves helps to control the secretion of the sebum oil on our skin, and also it is very helpful to reduce the acne. It is antiseptic in nature also. So by antiseptic I mean to say whenever you use a product or something, there are high chances that your skin might react to it by either showing some rashes or spots or something. But using those mint leaves by making a paste or a face mask, it will reduce the chances of showing rashes or redness on your face. So it is having the healing properties for your skin. It helps to remove the dead skin cells and makes your skin look smoother and radiant. And there are many more actually properties out there for the mint leaves. And to cut the long story short, I would just like to say that the mint leaves are so beneficial for your skin. Not only it should be actually a part of your diet, but also sometimes using face mask or face pack or as a scrub also. The natural ingredients out there will be very useful. So now let's jump to the video of how I made 5 particular face masks that can be very useful for treating acne also. So keep watching.
Here I took 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. You won't require that for one single face pack or mask. Then half sliced lemon, multani mitti or fuller's earth, chilled cow milk, and mint leaves. Obviously, how can we actually make a face mask or pack without that? Ripe banana, and that's it. So if you're using a blender to mix all of these ingredients, make sure to keep the mixture aside for 5 minutes at least, and then apply it on your skin for better results. So the first DIY is using the mint leaves along with banana. This mixture is great if you want radiating skin and want to prevent acne also. So basically the banana over here is the conditioning agent that is rich in vitamin A, B, C, along with the mint leaves that has salicylic acid in it, which actually prevents acne. So if you want really an even skin tone along with acne free skin, this combination of banana and the mint leaves is great. So apply the mixture for 20 minutes and then rinse it off with cold water. So the second DIY is using the cucumber and the honey along with the mint leaves. This is a great combination if you need the sudden hydration in your skin. If your skin feels dull or dehydrated, this is a great combination. The cucumber also has cooling properties just like the mint leaves, and honey along with it, that is a conditioning agent over here, will do wonders for your skin. Apply this mixture for 15 minutes and then rinse it off with cold water. The third DIY is a face pack. The face pack is supposed to hold your skin tight. For that, I have used Multani Mitti. This combination of mint leaves along with Multani Mitti do wonders for acne because this makes your face dry. It takes out the excess oil from your skin and thus preventing acne also. So make sure that you don't make the mixture very flowy. Make a thick paste of Multani Mitti along with the mint leaves and apply the mixture on your face for 25 minutes. Then rinse it off with normal water. So the fourth DIY is using lemon and honey along with the mint leaves to prepare the face mask. So let me tell you that honey over here is the conditioning agent. It's your option to use it or not. You can use curd also instead of honey. So the lemon over here along with the mint leaves is great for removing the acne and to reduce the blemishes. This combination works well for normal skin type, but if you have sensitive skin, make sure that you apply some amount of lemon in any part of your face to make sure that it actually suits you before applying it wholly on your face. So yes, apply this mixture on your face for 20 to 30 minutes and then rinse it off with normal water. So the fifth DIY is using all the constituents together except the Multani Mitti for making the hydrating face mask. So over here we have banana, we have honey, we have lemon, we have cucumber. So all these things will be working great for removing the acne, for reducing the blemishes, for proper pigmentation, for removing the tan. All of those things will be handled, and you just need to take care that you apply this face mask regularly once a week or twice a week, and then you will see amazing results using this face mask. Make sure you apply this face mask for 20 to 30 minutes and then rinse it off with normal water or cool water.
So these were it, guys. I hope you liked the content. I hope you liked the DIYs I created using the mint leaves. We already knew that, that mint leaves are beneficial for your body, but even using it externally for your hair or your skin, it's very useful. So yes, if you like the video, hit the like button and share the videos, guys, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. And till I come with my next video. Bye bye.